Bitcoin 6 months left. For what? Is it good? Is it bad? Well, smash the like button because it's time for Crypto News, crypto to the max. We are happy right now. Bitcoin keeps on going higher. We are above $73,000. And you can see, as we told you in this video, that usually Mondays right now are bad day. You can see here the crypto winter, we had 14% down, and yesterday we went down 6%. So maybe we have this trend right now where Monday is fine, but then Tuesday is the worst. You can see how strong is Bitcoin going up right now. And what about those 6 months left? Well, the idea is that experts believe that we are going to have this liquidity crisis in those 6 months. Remember, ETFs are buying like crazy. Right now, Grayscale is selling, but this will end. And also, we have the halving event where the Coinbase, the miners get, goes to half. It's going to be 450 Bitcoin coming into the market, not 900 as we have right now. So allegedly, bears can't win this one because just the money is coming into Bitcoin from institutional world. Is the beginning. It's going to be much more in the future. Right now, we have almost $3 billion for those ETFs, and it is the most successful ETF in history, better than gold, better than any other. So the idea is that we have a lot of entities coming into the market and they don't have Bitcoin. If we add the Bitcoin we have in exchanges and the Bitcoin that you have coming in circulation every day, is going to be less than needed for those whales, for those institutions. So maybe you still have these 6 months for accumulating and then selling for them. Maybe so, we'll see about that. But just some data about it. Yesterday, the 9, they bought $6 billion just in one day, just yesterday. BlackRock and Fidelity now hold more than 3,000 Bitcoin, worth over 23 billion for the spot Bitcoin ETF. Also, BlackRock just alone, they bought yesterday all this amount, $849 million worth of Bitcoin. You are considering buying. You ask yourself if this is a good moment for buying or selling. Well, BlackRock is a buyer above $70,000. You can see how BlackRock is buying everything in the market right now. And this Bitcoin mining is trying to keep track, but it's impossible. They just want all the Bitcoin out there. It's so crazy. It's just even having the balloons flowing out there. So yeah, liquidity crisis. Consider this from Crypto Rover. You have last week a purchase of 3,000 Bitcoin by ETFs. And you can see that in a week, we have 6,000 approximately new Bitcoins out there. In a month, it's going to be half of that, just 3,000. Just 30 days for that first step of the liquidity crisis. And consider things like this. Coinbase is proposing a private offering of 1 billion of convertible senior notes due 2030. So this is MicroStrategy's playbook, and they are trying to do the same probably for buying more Bitcoin. Also, Pershing Capital Management, they filed with the SEC to seek exposure to Bitcoin by investing up 50% of its 1.7 trillion opportunity trust fund in Bitcoin ETF. This is also huge. As huge is that Thailand SEC is allowing institutional investors to access US Bitcoin ETFs through private funds. And what about this? El Salvador Congress approved a reform to the income tax law, reducing rates from 30% to 0 for international investments and money transfer. This move is expected to draw even more global wealth to the country. I was considering moving my channel to El Salvador because It's a Bitcoin hub, and it's interesting being there. But this is also interesting. Do you have information about this? Do you have more information? I'm very interested about this. So leave a comment below. Thank you very, very much. And maybe you're waiting for a correction to coming into Bitcoin. Well, consider what happened with the ETF of gold. Maybe it will take a long, long time till we see a correction right now on Bitcoin. We've told you about this in previous crypto news, so watch them all. Very interesting. And today we keep track of news out there really fomistic, like this one, the rap star Drake. He just retweeted a post from Michael Saylor saying all the good stuff about Bitcoin, how it is better than gold and better than any other thing. So Drake has allegedly 146 million followers on Instagram. He posted that video, and Saylor was talking on national TV, talking about Bitcoin. So the idea here is that he's helping us, Drake, to the adoption. Our hero will be Michael Saylor, but Drake is the medium we need to get to the masses out there. And we told you all this together makes us expect Bitcoin maybe doubling, maybe tripling in 100 days, or maybe in 10 to 18 days. We keep track on this chart here with TradingView, and we'll see if we make to 135K in the next week or 2 weeks. Consider this chart from Trader Grade. You can see that we are in this parabolic move allegedly. Remember, this is not financial advice. I don't know whatsoever what's going to happen, but allegedly we might touch this line and keep on track. This happened the past 2 cycles, so it might happen again. And what about Ethereum? Well, today is a very special day. Today we have Dencun in Spain around 3 to 4 is going to happen this hard fork. And the idea here is we're going to have more security in Ethereum's network. Also, we are going to have fewer of those fees, terrible fees, and also efficiency and scalability. So Ethereum keeps on improving. They are going to use roll ups, and we'll see about this, how affects the price. Right now, we are almost in a new high for Ethereum, not an all-time high, but a local high. And you can see that yesterday we had another one. We are having a lot of those. And yes, of course, we had 2 bad Mondays, 15% here, 6% down here, and then good Tuesdays. So we'll see. I mean, Monday is the good day, Tuesday is the bad day, and then the rest of the week is okay. At least this happened past week. We'll see in next crypto news. Remember to smash the like button. Sometimes you forget. Also use the links in the description below. The market is still in extreme greed, and it's no wonder, because if you think about dollar, you can see here from Bitcoin news that US is adding 1 trillion worth of debt every 100 days. So something you can't trust. The market crypto in the green, the bubbles crazy out there. The dog with a hat keeps on going up. Too crazy. If you want to keep track of all this, go to dextours.io, where I usually watch my Pepe chart. Right now is almost again in an all-time high. So I'm happy right now. I didn't sell, but should I? Well, remember, in previous videos, we told you all about this, how Bitcoin is a good idea, and how to sell and how to buy your cryptocurrencies. So watch not just this video, but all the videos we just created recently. I recommend that for you, as this life in cryptocurrencies is a roller coaster. Can you see this girl trying to live a normal life? And it's like, but Bitcoin keeps on going on like crazy. So all in, 1000% up, and we keep with the crazy stuff. What about this cat? It feels that the world is trembling all over. We have this Bitcoin earthquake. Stop the world, please. This is going too crazy. This other guy believes he's having a hammer in its head, and it's all this news about Bitcoin. So maybe you need to chill a little bit out there, just relax like this guy, or even have a nap like this other guy. No, Rodri, please don't go. I want to keep on learning. Well, then you can go to our AI channel and watch them all. You have 50 videos almost out there. If you want to keep on learning about cryptocurrencies, just watch one of these two videos, and we are researching already for the next crypto news here with Rodrigo Arnido. Health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!